Just when it seemed that the rain would never relent, Mother Nature gave South Florida a glimmer of hope Thursday as a double rainbow stretched across the evening sky. Residents ventured outside as dark clouds gave way to a beautiful sunset, their photos and videos filling up social media feeds and group chats. Yes, but a difficult recovery awaits for many after nearly 2 days of dangerous and damaging flooding. State of play, and the respite many enjoyed Thursday evening may be short-lived. Friday's forecast calls for more rain, even as some areas of Miami